Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make revisions to PRs within GitHub in a matter of seconds rather than having to go through the whole complicated process which you're probably used to, because we all know that small revisions on PRs are just an absolute nightmare for productivity. Either you've been doing it yourself, in which case you have to go through all these different steps to get the code and make the one little change of removing or adding one word, or correcting a spelling mistake to then push it back and have the change when you should really be able to just there in your browser or wherever you've been reading the PR, make the change there and then. The other option is you've been passing it back to the person who wrote the code, which saves you a lot of time because all you need to do is just comment on the GitHub PR. But then they have to finish working on whatever or stop working on whatever they've now moved on to, come back to this PR, understand what you've asked them to do, make the change, put the change, and then try to get back into their work, which for your workflow, your focus, it's just really not good. And we need a better solution. So I'm really happy to share with you Revise. All you have to do in your GitHub is once you've integrated fine, you comment /revise and the change you want made in natural language, and it does it for you. Let's have a look at a real life example from today. Johnny was working on reviewing a PR which Dan wrote, and Dan had included logger in the call to the Kubernetes driver, and Johnny was like, we actually don't need that. So instead of going and putting the code and doing it himself, he just typed out /revise, removed the logger from the call, and the AI straight away added an emoji to say, I've got this. A couple of minutes later, the changes have been made and we can see it's removed the logger and, very importantly, hasn't made any other changes, just what it's been told what to do. And it comments explaining that it's made the changes so that it's all clear. If we want to take a look at this entire flow together, it's all within the space of 2 minutes. Johnny noticed the change he wanted to make. He typed out the change, the AI kicked in, and the change has been made for him. It's so much quicker. It's a massive time saver, whether you're a big team or a small team. This could be changing the entire way you work. It was done using Fine, which you can visit and install at ai.fine.dev. You log in, connect your GitHub, choose which repositories you want to integrate, and you go from there. And there's also so many more features to Fine you should know. You can also, on a PR, just comment /summary, and you'll get a PR summary. On issues, you can comment /guide me, and it will explain to you how to approach the task, or /code, and it will try and turn that issue into a PR for you. And soon you'll be able to do /review and get PR reviews, and a lot more features coming soon. There's also a lot more to Fine which isn't in GitHub. So once you're on the Fine website, you can type various different questions and tasks, and there in the browser, Fine does it for you. It gives you unlimited access to the leading LLMs, including o1 and Cloud Sonnet 3.5. And you can also use AI workflows, which are really useful because you just set them up once and it does the same task again and again, such as reviewing a PR or adding context to an issue or debugging a problem that's coming from Sentry. So head to Fine, check it out. And if you like this video and found that Revise is useful in saving you time, let us know down in the comments.